Hi everyone, I've got a Mercedes CLA here. I'm just going to show you how to reset the electronic handbrake on these. I did a brake pads on it already, so it's already done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it's done. Obviously it's all going to be done single-handed. Got nobody else to hold the camera with me. So what you do first, get the keys, switch the ignition on to key position 1. So just switch the ignition on, that's all you got to do. And then you see you've got the speedo there, make sure this is displaying. If you've got something else displaying other than that, then it won't do it, right? So all you do then is you press the call button here as well as the OK together. So if I get the call button and then OK, now if you see the display in a minute, we'll change to vehicle data, roller test, pad replacement, assistant plus, right? So then you do scroll down. So you go to press OK, pad replacement. Now to move to fitting position, press OK. Now before you do any of this, make sure you don't got the handbrake on. So you press OK. It's moving at the moment. That's all done. Now once you've done that, you can, as normal, take the key out, switch the ignition off, jack the car up, get on with it, take the wheels off and replace the brake pads, push the pistons back nice and gently. Make sure you open the cap for the brake fluid. Once you've done that, put the new pads in, clean it all up, put the new pads in, put the calipers back together, put the wheels back on, then get back into the car. You then switch the ignition on again to key position 1, right? You press and hold that same button, press and hold the call and OK button. Here we go. Go back to pad replacement, press OK. Now you press OK again. Fitting position. That's it. That's all you got to do on yours. Now before you do any of this, make sure you don't pump the brake pedal. Whatever you do, do not pump the brake pedal with the fitting procedures. Don't do anything. So once you've done, once you've reset the handbrake again and is back to normal position, then you do is just pump the brakes and press OK. Go back to the main menu. Now if you've done a full service as well, say for instance you've got a car in for a service, you just go down Assist Plus, press OK, service data. It tells you, you know, what services are due and everything else, you know, and then press back again, go into full service. It tells you service 1, service 3, service 8, service 11, confirm full service. You press the confirm button and then it'll reset the service light. You go back again. Now this car here, if I switch the ignition off, take the key out, start the car up as normal. Now to check what services are due, I'll press the arrow button, which is this one here. As you can see on the display, trip, navi. I would go into service, press OK, go into Assist Plus. This one here, nothing's due at the moment. The only thing will be due in 365 days, which is service A. That's all that matters. So that's it. Thanks for watching our channel. Any more information you need on this car or any other cars, do leave us a message. You can either go onto our community page as well and drop in a message or on one of the pictures. And if there is any information you need as well, let us know. Thank you very much. Goodbye.